Today we talk about how can you enable account protection on your Meitu app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on account management here, then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to Meitu Security Center, just click on it. So when you just click here in this sign here, so then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on account protection, just click on it. Then you come here to account protection, just click in this sign. So then you click here on link now. So then here add your phone number, then it's gone automatically to enable with you here. So account protection on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.